Can you believe that simply keeping your solar panels clean will generate optimal power? Sparkling, clean, shiny solar panels means more energy for you. Hi, my name is Shahed Kamal, co-founder of SolarInstallGuru.com. In the next few minutes, I will show you how keeping your solar panels clean will generate optimal power and bring optimal return on your solar investment. Do you want to know how to generate optimal power from your solar panels? One of the ways is by keeping the solar panels clean. Don't you keep your car windshield clean? Cleaning solar panels is as simple as cleaning your car windshield. With just a little water and wiping with a soft brush, your solar panels will be working optimally. This is a simple and cost-effective solution for maintenance. Cleaning the solar panels regularly ensures a better return on your solar investment. Clean solar panels allows for the maximum absorption of energy from the sun that goes into generating energy for your home. 98% of sunlight transmission is achieved when solar panels are cleaned and washed frequently. Checking for soiling, such as bird poop or grime of solar panels on a regular basis helps to increase your solar performance. Cleaning your panels in the early morning or on an overcast day is particularly a good time, mainly because when the sun is beating down on the panels, the water used dries too quickly, leaving dirt smears before you have had a chance to wipe. Plus, you will also be using less water and less energy to clean your solar panels since the water will not evaporate fast like it would on a hot, sunny day. Just like any well-oiled machine that runs smoothly, a clean and debris-free solar system will run optimally and at peak performance. Just by cleaning your solar panels, you are not only ensuring your investment, but also ensuring a more greener, energy efficient home. Clean solar panels equals more solar power, which means more savings for you through a reduced utility bill. Keeping solar panels clean results in generating optimal power. If you are interested in saving the planet and taking control of your energy future, visit solarinstallguru.com and make an appointment for a free solar energy audit today, valued at about $500. You will also find a lot of other solar-related money-saving tips in our blog and video presentations. What are you waiting for? Go to solarinstallguru.com right now and you will receive a free ebook, a $40 value for just visiting the site, which covers in depth on how you can save money and save the environment in the process. You can also register for free online training courses, which covers various topics related but not limited to solar system installation with little or no out-of-pocket cost. I would like you to join us in our conversations on Twitter and Facebook. Thank you.